Hello everyone, Jake with Real Broker. We got another great home tour for you today. We're in one of our new listings out in Lake Las Vegas. We're in a Toll Brothers townhouse. And yeah, let's go take a look at this house, shall we? Beautiful Lake Las Vegas. This is a Toll Brothers built townhouse built in 2018. It's a 2-bedroom, 3-bath, so it's a 2.5 bath, 2-car garage, 1,634 square feet. This is the front of the house right here. And let's go take a look. You can see we got a little courtyard here in front. Got some French doors over there. Here's the main entry into the house. We do have this living room right here, and you see this LVP. This is throughout the entire house. That's the flooring. We've got a nice little agreeable gray on the wall all throughout. And this place is just in really good condition. Now we are gonna go upstairs first, and then we're gonna go downstairs. We'll check out the garage and the pool, and we're right on the cusp of Lake Las Vegas, so you can see all of that. We have our kitchen area right here. If you wanted to have a formal dining area, dining table, you could. You do have a drop. You could put a chandelier or something up there if you'd like. Kind of our look down from this landing. Come back slowly into here. We've got a nice little center island. We've got granite countertops. We've got all stainless steel appliances, gas cooktop. Nice shaker, some gray style cabinets here. And from the kitchen sink right here, you can see Lake Las Vegas. It's right through that little gap. Nice big walk-in pantry. And this is where our half bath is. So if you have guests and friends over, you're entertaining. And you got this little storage area right here. This could be your AM, PM bar. Do have a wine fridge, so if you're a wine drinker, we've got you covered. All right, let's go upstairs to the 2 bedrooms. At the top of the stairs here on this landing, we have a built-in bookshelf. This is built by California Closets. All the closets in this house have been modified by California Closets. This is our secondary bedroom, which it does come with a full built-out wall Murphy bed. It's right here in the center. Got some nice lake views from the window. Does have a full bath room. I don't know why I paused saying bathroom. Got our laundry room right here. Appliances all do stay with the home. Same nice cabinets, countertops. It's a pretty big laundry room for the size of this unit, and you got a back area with a sink here. And here we have the primary bathroom, or excuse me, primary bedroom. Does have a nice balcony. Let's hop out there. It's got some great views. Got the golf course right across the way. And if you've never been to Lake Las Vegas, it's a pretty quiet community. Back into the bedroom. Here's our walk-in closet. It's got a great chandelier, huh? Look at that. Nice size closet too, so we should come around here and there's a place for all your shoes. And over here we have the bathroom. That's the toilet right to the left. So nice bathroom, some good storage. There's our sink area. You got a nice, beautiful, full tiled out walk-in shower right there. All right, let's go downstairs, check out the garage and the pool area. All right, so here's our garage. It's epoxy floor, 2-car garage. Got my Bronco parked in here just to give you a little bit of reference size. We have a soft water conditioner over there, so nice high ceilings. Anyways, it's a nice garage. And this unit does have one of the larger driveways in the community. So you have a full-size driveway. This is what the interior of the community looks like. And let's go down here and take a peek at the pool area. And if you haven't, and we're still watching the video, if you want to go ahead and subscribe, we appreciate your support. If you have any questions about the buying or selling process in Las Vegas, we'd love to advise you and help you out. All right, so here is our Via Di Vita community pool. So it's a nice little area, huh? You got some showers right there, you got a nice pool. It's a good place to lounge and relax. Let's get up over there. And you can see the lake right off in the distance. You got the golf course right there. So it's a really nice area. Real good place to chill and relax. Now let's walk out here just a bit more. Get a little bit more of a peek of the lake out here if you haven't seen Lake Las Vegas. Got a couple cabanas right here. Got a little hot tub. So yeah, here's Lake Las Vegas. Pretty beautiful place. And there's homes all around this community. These are townhomes. You can buy single family homes for the relatively same price as this, maybe a little bit more. We've also got luxury homes in here in the, anywhere from 2, 3, 4, 10, $15 million. So thanks so much for joining us. We will put together some B-roll to tag along the end of this video so you can get a good idea of what the rest of Lake Las Vegas looks like. And we'll catch you on the next home tour. That's my contact info if you have any questions. And yeah, thanks so much for joining us.